top, all she would have to do once it was cooked is pull out her lettuce, right? And say, hey, we're gonna fill these guys with our buffalo chicken.
Yes.
Now, what were you saying earlier, Ricky, about for your kids?
Now, my kids, I don't know about if you have kids or not, but my kids are not super excited about eating things on lettuce wraps. Like, they are like, Mom, we want a bun,
right,
or a tortilla or whatever. So I usually do keep, we have buns here kind of, for example.
We just used an example of like these really are nice brioche buns that your kids might really like. Or maybe you have a man in your household that's like, no, I want all the carbs and protein.
Yes. So if somebody wants that, then certainly these can just as easily go on buns as they can.
Yes.
You know, so like for my family, what I would do is I would serve lettuce wraps for probably me and my husband, and all the kids would probably eat.
But how versatile is that?
Yes.
Because you just did the work once.
Yes.
So on the day you go to serve it and eat it and have dinner, it's super easy.
And the directions are right on here. It says to cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or low 5 to 6. Remove chicken, shred to combine, scoop into the lettuce, leave and enjoy. So as soon as I pull this out to thaw, I would see, oh, okay, I gotta have lettuce leaves or whatever I want to serve.
And guys, too, this label that Ricky has on this bag comes with your once a month meals membership.
Yep.
So for this menu that we're making, you get a grocery shopping list, you get recipe cards, you get a prep list, a thaw sheet, all the labels for every single recipe that you're making. So guys, right, that you can get through this really quickly and efficiently. And again, these are all super versatile. My husband and I personally love the buffalo chicken on a tortilla wrap with a little bit of shredded lettuce and some ranch dressing. Fold that up. It tastes exactly like McDonald's or like Wendy's. You know, they have the spicy chicken wraps. Like, guys, you literally cannot tell the difference. Put a little bit of cheddar cheese or some other type of topping, like tomato or avocado, anything that you want on top of it. And as you can see, super flexible because you've got lots of options and you've already done the protein.
Yes. And you guys, what's happening at my house is in July, we're starting to gear up for back to school.